Hi guys, once again a warm welcome to Digital India Portal YouTube channel. Those who didn't subscribe Digital India Portal, click the regular subscribe button and also the bell symbol to get instant updates. Today we will see information regarding Digipay, that is Aadhaar enabled payment system. Yes, Digipay important notification for all VLEs. So CSC Governance India Limited has announced that VLEs must maintain physical register of transactions in order to avoid any future dispute regarding Digipay transactions. So this is the most important information for all VLEs. So CSC said that VLEs doing Digipay are required to maintain physical register of transactions, and upon every transaction they need take customer's signature or thumb to avoid any future dispute. If you do any kind of transaction in Digipay, that is Aadhaar enabled payment system, you must maintain the physical receipt of that transaction, and in particularly in that receipt you must ask the customer to put their signature, that is sign or thumbprint, for future reference, because most VL is facing issue in Digipay regarding the payment transactions. So customers asking payment not received, payment not debited, like that. So to avoid this kind of problems in future, to avoid this dispute, all VLEs must maintain physical register of transactions with you. You must ask customers to put their signature in the receipt and you make it as a file with yourself. So this is the most important information from CSC Governance India Limited. So kindly share this to reach as most as possible. In next video we will see one important information regarding 7th economic census. So stay tuned with Digital India Portal for regular updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you.